You're still there? So there are things that God uses in training you. So just because they're not at peace with you doesn't mean that God is against you. No. Say, if I just want things to happen peacefully, it may not always happen peacefully. It may not always happen peacefully. I'm always for peace, but I'm ready for war. Every time. Is it not called the God of peace? What do you think his other name is? God of war. When the King James says a man of war. For God Almighty. So I'm always for peace. My first option is peace. Peace. But I come with peace with my weapons. In the event that you're not ready for peace, on my terms. Because peace, not peace on your terms, peace on my terms. Because I'm sent from God. Hallelujah. And that's why I believe in vision.